Two were on the west end. They pulled out. I lined the switch, made the double, turned it in. They started pulling, and they're like, "We're not stopping. Get on the move." It was like 4 miles an hour when they came through. Yeah, I just.
What are they? What were they?
Which model was this?
100 cars like that.
They were the old four babies.
Were they 100 cars sets or were they 110?
109, I think we had.
But they can only do 110.
Well, what they tell me, they can actually do 112, but they don't like doing that many because it's a conveyor getting it out of there. Like, they don't want to tell the coal company that because they want to load the full amount, but it's easier if they do, about 100 for getting it out of there.
Now, was most tractors on export over there?
Everything's export.
I know 78 is
Westbound empty gondola
All
train,
export, yeah.
led by
In
67,
fact, for
55,
January
SD50.
and February, there's only 2 trains slated to be loaded at Southport. That's it. One in January, one in February. And if it wasn't for pulling empties up every night, you wouldn't have Southport.
Oh, that's the 564 stuff.